Allow me to just interrupt you by asking one of our partners, Geoffrey Kilonzo, from Plug Mtaani, to also say something. You are playing a key role as a master trainer with the International Labour Organization. Very briefly, Geoffrey.
Thank you. Your Excellency, the President, CS, and all the other guests. My name is Geoffrey Kilonzo, and Your Excellency, we were privileged to host you during the Youth Connect to award the Plug Mtaani winners. We had a booth because we ran a similar program last year where we had 15 counties, and actually Eli was our winner for Plug Mtaani. And quite a number of them here also participated. Now, we're here because we have realized through the CEO that we're running almost like similar programs. We're looking for areas of synergy. One of the areas of synergy is capacity building and training. International Labour Organization offers a very strong program called Start and Improve Your Business, which walks the innovators or startups from ideation to packaging that idea into a business plan and then improving the business, actually up to the expansion. So with Kenya National Innovation Agency, we want to see how we can have the pre-awards program and an accelerator program after the awards, so that we also track the progress of the youth. We don't want to have awards that have no track of the success or the impact, actually. So we're going to train those that want to start, because there are so many who want to get into the space of entrepreneurship, but do they have the understanding of what innovation is? Do they have an understanding of how to come up with a sustainable and a scalable business? So that's what we come in to do, train them, and then after they get the money, we hold them through mentorship. And mentorship is key because we have trainers all over. ILO has trainers more than 5,000 in Kenya right now. And we want to work with these young people, make sure that their business is turned, and we can tell a 10-year story of success, or if much more importantly, as an enterprise that will never collapse to 50 years. So we are delighted to be here, and thank you for supporting the youth, and also thank you for being supportive. I remember the word you said when you came to our stand. You said stick to that capacity building and training thing. That's the word you gave, and we are very keen on it. We don't want to just give out money. We want to capacity build the youth. Thank you, Your Excellency. Thank you.
Asante, Geoffrey. Thank you, Geoffrey. Your Excellency, that synergy building is important for us, just making sure that we break down silos, we connect dots, and we build on the capacities of all our partners.